Alright guys, so as we talked about in our year-end review video, we talked about getting the rear tire mount for the van. So what we have here is the rim extra wheel that I bought from off eBay. And we're about to take this on up to Tint World to get it powder coated. So right along, I'm going to drop this off. And I'm still waiting for the tire mount to come in. It hasn't come in yet. Hopefully, again, it'll get here before we take our spring break trip to New Mexico. But until then, we'll go ahead and get everything else prepped up, get the wheel powder coated, and get the tire mounted. So we'll see you at the next video. Alright guys, so we just picked up the wheel from Tint World, and as you can see, they did a very excellent job like they always do. So our next stop is Discount Tire. See you there. Alright guys, so we've got the tire back from Discount Tire, and this is the finished look. So the mount should be shipping this week. Should be in about another week or so. So next video we'll get back with you on the installation. So we'll see you when the mount comes in. Alright guys, the day has finally come. We have received our spare tire mount from Aluminess. We're gonna get this thing unboxed and start getting to work on getting it installed. As you can see, the powder coated wheel is ready. Big Bertha is ready. We're gonna get it all laid out on the table here and get this thing going. Alright guys, we got all the parts unpackaged. Aluminess, man, y'all do a good job on packaging. This thing was wrapped, I mean crazy. No scratches, no really great packaging. So we've got all the parts laid out. So now we'll see about doing some pre-assembly and see if we can get this thing going. Alright guys, we got the hinges in. I forgot to roll the camera, but we got our hinges in. Now we're getting the inside hinge mounted. So we'll continue on. Alright, bracket all in place. Gotta get our handle screwed back on. Alright, we are all together here on the brackets. Now we just get the rest of the mount assembled, and we'll be ready to put this thing on the door. Alright guys, mounting the strap was a little trying, but I've got it just about worked out, so we're going to finish up getting this going and we'll be done with that part. Alright guys, so we got just about all of the hardware for the license plate, the tire, got it all assembled here. So our next step is to get it up on the vehicle. Alright guys, got it all mounted, got it tightened down. It took a little finagling, but it did go on pretty good. Installation was not bad at all. So now next is just to get the hardware for the spare all lined up and get the tire put on. So we'll work on that and we'll come back at you. Alright guys, so we've got it all mounted, and I must say it went on pretty good. Went on pretty good, pretty easy. Not a bad install at all. The bracket itself, again, came from Aluminess. It is a little pricey, but for peace of mind, I think it's well worth every dime that we spent for it. So we now have a spare in case we have a blowout, and we call roadside, and at least we have a tire for them to change when we get there. All right, guys, so this will wrap up the install for this one. Hope you appreciate the little insight that we've given you. And don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, like, and comment. And we'll see you guys at the next adventure, which should be New Mexico. In a couple of weeks, we'll be headed off to spring break and traveling to New Mexico. So again, this is why we wanted to have a good spare in case of any type of issues. So again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.